What's up? What's up? What's up? You know what I'm saying? It's Wired and Chom with my first YouTube video ever. And you know what I'm saying? My channel finna be about cars. You know what I'm saying? And like cars, I'm not gonna lie. Particularly Mopar. Behind me I got 2015 Charlie RT Plus. Look at that. Got the chrome wheels. This shit a little dirty right now because, you know what I'm saying? Got the chrome wheels. Got the white stripe. It just says Challenger right there. Tough as shit in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? This shit. I got the Scat Pack seats. The SRT seats kind of. Like the Alcantara and stuff like that. It's nice, bro. It feels nice. I got the RT stitching in there. It's a nice ass interior, I'm not gonna lie, man. 2015. I'm saying this shit got like, what? I got a sunroof with it. 375 horsepower. And y'all niggas be saying like RTs be slow and shit, but I'm coming from a Toyota Corolla, man. That shit had like what, 150 horsepower? Like, come on. So this shit is a big ass jump. This shit loud as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get a car wash ASAP. Damn. But you know what I'm saying? Look at this shit. Dirty as hell. But right now, I'm finna install my first mod ever. I bought this like a couple days ago off of Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna love it, I'm not gonna lie. YouTube, I finally finished this shit, bro. This shit took me like 2 hours. It should have took me like 30 minutes max. I'm not gonna lie, like 30 to 45 minutes, but this shit took me like 2 hours, bro. I was like, this car is a 2015, you know what I'm saying? It has like one owner or some shit. Low-key, good ass deal. I got a good ass deal on it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't think they ever touched the side markers. And mind you, that's 10 years or like 11 years because I said that the person who bought it in like 2014. And like 11 years since the people bought it, and they haven't touched the side markers, I could tell, because I try to like, if y'all have ever done like side markers for like the Dodge cars, I don't know if it's the same for any other car, but if y'all ever done the side markers, and like there's that red clip that you have to pull up to get off the to get it out the side marker, right? That shit was like damn near stuck. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get like I was trying to use like pliers to like hook onto this shit and then like pull it up. And then for this one right here, this back right one, this shit got stuck, my nigga. Or nah, this shit broke. Like it chipped off like a bunch of times. I tried to get like a flathead screwdriver, and then I tried to like poke into there. Man, I could not get in that bitch. I'm not gonna lie, like, and like this one on the left side, this shit was a lot easier, I'm not gonna lie. It was still a little stuck, but it was a lot easier. The front ones, I think they might have replaced the front ones, I'm not gonna lie, because the front ones look pretty new, but it's just the back ones, I don't think they were ever touched at all. That shit was annoying. But like, what I did to get through, if y'all know, with like Mopars, I think Chargers are the same way, but for sure with Challengers, I think it's Chargers are the same way, because it's literally like the same car. But there's obviously the intake is right here, and you have to either remove the intake or like the fender housing or whatever that shit is. You have to like remove that shit, and then you can get in there. But I was like, I'm not gonna do that because I don't even have like, what are they, like, not pliers, but like a prior tool. You know what I'm saying? I don't have that. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that. The intake is like a lot easier to do that. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot easier to take out the intake than to do that. But for this one was pretty easy. You can just get through the engine. And obviously the back ones are really easy to get to, but I'm finna do a review. I like this because the white pops, the white lights pop with the white stripe on the car compared to like, you know what I'm saying, like the red. The red doesn't really pop with the car. It doesn't really match. You know what I'm saying? There are like red stickers on the back that I might replace with like just like the reflectors right there. I might replace those with like white, maybe, I don't know, or I'll just leave it, to be honest. But honestly, I think this car looks really nice, and it's like a lot more unique than other Challengers and Chargers. But I'm just gonna, and it sucks because the front ones do not work. They do not work at all. But for this shit looked like cold as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that bitch. With the white, bruh. That shit looks mean as fuck in the night, I'm not gonna lie. Like, oh shit. You know what I'm saying? This shit look mean as fuck. With the white stripe. I honestly love it. I don't even know if you can see me right now, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly love it. Yeah. Let me know what your guys' opinion on the car is, because I honestly find that this car was like a steal. All right, YouTube, I don't know if you can see me right now, but my dumb ass just realized something. My side markers work, like the front ones work, as long as the car's on. I'm dumb as shit, I'm not gonna lie, but I gotta hear this cold stuff, bro. Muffler's still on and everything, but my dumbass did not realize that this shit still works. This shit still works, but it's just the fact that my car was off and I just like would unlock it, you know, just show those backlights, you know what I'm saying? But this shit still works, thankfully. But you know what I'm saying, I'm finna run some errands. I might just do a little POV real quick. Y'all listen to this shit. Let me open the sunroof so y'all can hear the car a little bit more. Listen to that shit, bro. I think this shit's fully stocked too. I don't really know I never really talked to the previous owner because I bought this shit from a dealership, but like this shit loud as fuck. Not gonna lie, and it like my girl said she was riding behind me one time, and there might be like there's like flames that came out of it. Oh shit! Hey, damn, you dropped my phone, bro. Ah, damn, you dropped my phone. Trying to get this POV shit right, bro. It's hard with like one hand. Like I'm trying to get but like the head camera, that shit is too high. I'm not gonna lie. Like you be sitting up here, and that's not like realistic. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving a little smooth POV, quick one. But alright.